Welcome in trigonometry part 44. In this part we solve two more problems which are very important for this chapter. Let us see first problem for you. Evaluate cot inverse 9 plus cosec inverse root 41 by 4. Yes, cot inverse 9 plus plus cosec inverse root 41 by 4. This is your first problem. So try to understand how can we solve this type of problems. Two things are here. First of all, we have the formula for addition of inverse function as tan inverse x plus tan inverse y. We can add sin inverse x plus sin inverse y, cos inverse x plus cos inverse y. In case of minus also we have the formula. But if one is in cot inverse, one is in cosec inverse, then there is no formula of adding cot inverse and cosec inverse. Is not it? So in order to add, either both should be converted into tan, or both should be converted into sin, or both should be converted into cos. ये आपको जानना है, अदरवाइज इसको ऐड नहीं कर सकेंगे. एक ये है. सेकेंडली, tan inverse x plus tan inverse y is tan inverse x plus y by 1 minus x into y. And what about sin inverse x plus sin inverse y? Sin inverse x plus sin inverse y is sin inverse x root under 1 minus y square plus y root under 1 minus x square. What about cos inverse x plus cos inverse y? Cos inverse xy minus root under 1 minus x square root under 1 minus y square. So you see, among these three, tan inverse x plus tan inverse y, sin inverse x plus sin inverse y, and cos inverse x plus cos inverse y, among these three, tan inverse x plus tan inverse y is the easier one. Means here there is no complicacy of roots etc. ये सबसे आसान है, मतलब सिंपल वे में है. So this will helps you for easier calculation if you use tan inverse x plus tan inverse y. And in order to use tan inverse x plus tan inverse y, both should be converted into tan inverse. दोनों को tan inverse में लाइए, फिर उसको यूज कीजिए. So why we write this first tan inverse 1 by 9. sin inverse x equal to होता है cosec inverse 1 by x. cosec inverse x equal to 1 by sin x. tan inverse x equal to cot inverse 1 by x. cot inverse x equal to tan inverse 1 by x. That is been used. ये तो चेंज हो गया. Now problem is for this. इसको आप बढ़िया से समझे. This process will be used for any other problem. Our purpose is to change cosec inverse root 41 by 4 into tan inverse. इसको tan inverse में चेंज करना है. ये हमारा प्रोसेस. किसको चेंज करना है? cosec inverse root 41 by 4. इसको चेंज करना है. This is to be changed. तो जिसको चेंज करना है उसको आप थीटा मान लीजिए. Let it be theta. So from definition of inverse function, cosec theta is your root 41 by 4. ठीक है. cosec theta is root 41 by 4. Now you will prepare a right angle triangle. आप बना लीजिए. एक इक्विट एंगल को आप थीटा कर लीजिए. ठीक है. एंड देन you know cosec theta is hypotenuse by perpendicular. So this hypotenuse will be root 41 and perpendicular is 4. Hypotenuse by perpendicular. Okay, so hypotenuse is root 41, perpendicular is 4. So what will be base hypotenuse square? Hypotenuse square will be root 41 square. So 41 minus perpendicular square 16, it will gives you 25. So 5. So in this way hypotenuse was there, perpendicular was there, we have calculated base. Now all the three sides are here. किस में कन्वर्ट करना है आपको इसको? 10 में. तो जिसमें कन्वर्ट करना है वो निकाल लीजिए. 10 में कन्वर्ट करना, आप tan थीटा निकाल लीजिए. कैन यू फाइंड tan थीटा फ्रॉम हियर? tan थीटा परपेंडिकुलर बाय बेस मीन्स 4/5. So theta will be tan inverse. So what is theta? Cosec inverse root 41/4 equal to tan inverse 4/5. So in this way cosec inverse root 41/5 is converted into tan inverse. Is the process. In this way any inverse function can be converted into any other inverse function. So this process is important. Okay. So tan inverse 1/9 plus this can be written as tan inverse 4/5. Okay. Now easily you can use here tan inverse x plus tan inverse y. It will be tan inverse x plus y by 1 minus x into y. Okay, so it will be tan inverse, here it is 5 and here 36 plus 5 and here 45 minus 4. So it is tan inverse 1. Tan inverse 1 means the angle whose tan is 1. Whose tan is 1? Tan pi by 4 is 1. So tan inverse 1 is pi by 4 is the answer. In this way we can solve this type of problem. Let us see another problem. Let us take 4 tan inverse 1/5 plus minus tan inverse 1/70 minus tan inverse 1/70 plus tan inverse 1/99. Four tan inverse 1/5 minus tan inverse 1/70 plus tan inverse 1/99. Its value you have to calculate. So let us see what can we do for this. So let me rough this side. Note down the problem. Problem is 4 tan inverse 1/5 minus tan inverse 1/70 plus tan inverse 1/. First of all, can you write 2 into 2 tan inverse 1/5? Because in order to add we have the result tan inverse x plus tan inverse y. उसके आगे कोई कांस्टेंट रहने से वो फार्मूला काम में नहीं आएगा. So you have to remove this 4 and in order to remove 4 you have to use this formula. 2 tan inverse x is tan inverse 2x by 1 minus x square. This formula will be used to remove this 4. First of all, we write 2 into 2 tan inverse x can be written as tan inverse 2x by 1 minus x square. Okay, this is x 1 by 5, and here you take 1 minus common, then you will get tan inverse 1 by 70 minus tan inverse 1 by 99. So it is 2 tan inverse 2 by 5 into 25 by, it is 25 minus 1, 24, and here use now tan inverse x minus tan inverse y. Tan inverse x minus tan inverse y is tan inverse x minus y. This is x minus y by 1 plus x into y. Okay, tan inverse x minus y, tan inverse x minus y by 1 plus x into y. So what will happen? 2 tan inverse, it is 5 by 12. Okay, minus tan inverse LCM 70 into 99. Here it will be 99 minus 70. 99 minus 70, then it is 29. Okay, and here it is 70 into 99. This plus 1 means 6931. अरे ये एलसीएम तो सेम होगा, कट जाएगा, ये यहाँ होगा ना, 6930 प्लस 1 हो जाएगा. अगेन रिमूव दिस 2. ये 2 को हटाने के लिए फिर से tan इनवर्स वी यूज दैट फार्मूला. 2 tan इनवर्स x इक्वल टू tan इनवर्स 2x. 2x मीन्स 10 by 12 by 1 minus x square. X square means its square. 25 by 144. Okay, माइनस इसको डिवाइड कीजिए तो 6130 डिवाइड बाय 29, 2 जा 58, 3 जा 8. So 13 minus 7, 13 minus 7, 6, 31. Yes, we have to take here 31. Okay, this one 6931. Okay, so this 1 will come, so I think 9 times. That's very well. So 239, it can be written as 239. So it is tan inverse 1 by 239. Now let us simplify here. Tan inverse, it is 10 by 12 into 144 by 144 minus 25. So 14 minus 5, 9. Here it is 13. 13 minus 2, 119. Okay, minus 1 tan inverse. Tan inverse 1 by 239. So it can be 12 times. Let us rough this side now. So it is your 10 inverse 120 by 119 minus 1 by 10 inverse 1 by 239. Okay, now both are in 10 inverse. So now again we can use 10 inverse x minus 10 inverse y. So 10 inverse x minus 10 inverse y, 10 inverse x minus y. This is your x minus y by 1 plus x into y. Okay. 10 inverse x minus 10 inverse y, 10 inverse x minus y by 1 plus x into y. Achha, okay. So now 10 inverse. See, LCM will be here 119 into 239. Here also 119 into 239. That can be cancelled. So here it will be 120 into 239 minus 119. Okay, and here it is 119 into 239 plus 120. Okay, ठीक है। तो ये LCM यहाँ आ गया प्लस ये 120. ओके, देखिए वी ऑलवेज ट्राई टू अवॉइड मल्टीप्लिकेशन, ज़्यादा बड़ा मल्टीप्लिकेशन ना हो, तो इसको कुछ ऐसा करें कि कट जाए. Bigger multiplication we should try to avoid. Let us see what can we do. Here it is 120, here it is 119, 239, 239 same. Okay, see 10 inverse 120 times of 239. I am writing it 119 times. Okay, then what will happen? 120 times it was. I have written 1 time, so 1 time is left, means 239 is left. इसको लिख सकते हैं ना 119 into 239 plus 239 and minus 119. ये और नीचे 119 into 239 plus 120 ऐसा. So this will gives you 10 inverse 119 into 239. सब्ट्रैक्ट कर दीजिए, वही आ जाएगा 120 by 119 into 239 plus 120. इन दिस वे. देखिए कुछ फायदा हुआ थोड़ा सा एडजस्टमेंट में. ये सेम है देखिए दोनों, न्यूमरेटर एंड डिनोमिनेटर. सो दिस विल गिव्स यू 10 inverse 1. 10 inverse 1 means you have to write the angle whose 10 is 1. 10 45 degree is 1, so 10 inverse 1 is 45 degree, means 5 by 4 is the answer. I hope you have understand the problem. So in this video keep this much. Few 2-3 more problems we will try to solve in this chapter, and then this chapter will over. So go on watching inverse circular function. In the next part, means in part 45, we solve few more problems. Thank you for watching.